Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HDSN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume. Although a very shaky looking chart, I'm not going to say the chart's totally destroyed, but it's definitely sitting near some what I would call must-hold levels and do or die levels. And not to be dramatic, but let's actually think about what these areas are representing. In particular, right there at 75 cents. 75 cents, in my opinion, is a must-hold level, no excuses. Why is that area so important? Well, I'm not saying this is what's going to occur, but for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down to 75 and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would quite literally be putting the price right back to where it was inside of that range. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength. And in this situation, would basically put it at a pump and dump status, meaning the price made a great move up, and then all of a sudden the price is right back to where it started. Now, I'm not saying that towards the company itself. I'm making the pump and dump statement towards just the general idea of how the price has acted. So from a price action perspective, you definitely are risking a potential pump and dump if the price just crashes down below 75. But to also be fair, maybe something like this happens. And this is why, as of right now, you can't quite say the entire chart's ruined, because maybe the price comes down to 75, it bounces like it's already done a few times there, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you now have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have those lows down there, and if you envision these as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress. And like I said, the price does still have the opportunity to make some signs of progress, that being at 75 cents. So a whole lot of eyeballs going to be watching 71 or 75 cents going into next week. So let's see if the price can actually stay up above it and show some signs of progress, or if the price is just going to fall right back below it and go back to where it all began early next week and be pretty exciting and pretty entertaining in terms of what's in store for this. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.